This is Mackenzie Summers recording a description of my Homework 1 code for Distributed Systems 1. Starting up here with importing the system module. That way we can access our arguments. Next, defining a flag list, which has a list of all our valid flags for use later. Starting our main function and printing the standard input, expected standard input to standard output. Next, we begin a infinite while loop and start a try block. Then in here, we will print the input of whatever input the user gives immediately, and an except here to catch the end of file error when Control D is hit, and that will just break, continuing on to the next part of the code. Next, we define return string as an empty string to be built for later return as the answer. Next is creating a new variable command string with the arguments that were from system, removing the first one so that it doesn't have the program name anymore. Next, we iterate through the flags in our flag list, so we will skip any invalid flags and add the return of check flag to our return string. And going down to check flag here, just a simple function, takes the flag we're looking for as well as all the remaining variables, defines a new flag output for returning the answer as well, begin a try block, and here save the index of the flag that we are currently looking for, assuming it is found. Next, the flag output, we add the return of this pop function, so the flag itself should be removed and added to the flag output as well as this trailing colon. Next, we are checking if the flag is the -h flag, which has no expected return data. If it is any other flag, we know that there is an expected data, so again we add to flag output the data, we pop it from the same index as when we removed the in the flag itself, it shifted the data following the flag down to the same index the flag was at. We have our except here, catching value error. This is just in case there's something up with the index, something goes wrong there. It'll pass and continue silently without interrupting our code. And then here we return the flag output, which is now a formatted string in the expected format for returning the answer. And then that return is added to our return string here to be ready to be actually returned. We continue looping until we've gone through all our flags, and then print the command line arguments and print the return string, which has all of our formatted answers. And down here, we just have calling the main function so that the program will actually start and run.